This is James, the unofficial mayor of Cowboy Country and your favorite stadium guy. We are here in Austin, Texas. That's the swimming center. And that's the basketball practice area. And over there, even on Martin Luther King Day, I hear people working. So I don't know how good of a shot I'm going to get. Apparently some of the old social work building is still up. So I see definitely they've made progress, but problem is they're still in the deconstruction phase. I was kind of hoping, I've waited a couple months since I've been here, but hey, they're devoted, they're working. It's cool. I don't know how good of a shot I'm going to get. Do know it's rather cold out, but thank God I've got my warmest jacket on. Well, I do have a Kansas City Chiefs jacket, but it's like every time I wear that thing, somebody has to make a stupid comment. Yeah, lots and lots of construction. Oh, okay, yeah, they're definitely working on that as well. So hopefully by the time we come back again, we'll come back in a couple months. Here, let me flip this around. I'll wait a couple months before I come down. Obviously, January, we always have our one winter storm in Texas. But hopefully in March or April, I'll come down again. And but they've made some progress. I can clearly see a difference. So, of course, always a good reason to come down to Austin to go over to Buddy's Burgers. There's something else I want to take care of while I'm here. It's kind of personal. So, but sorry. I wish more progress had been made. But at least we did give it a good college try. Actually, let me see. I'm gonna pause and try to cross the street. See if I can get a better shot from over there. It's better. It's a little bit better. Around. All right. Well, it's the best I can do for now. I promise I'm not going to come down here again until either the end of March or April. Maybe I'll do some digging on my own. See if we can blinkers. Dude just turned. I had no idea it was going to turn. If I can find maybe a YouTube feed that has like a camera on it, we'll. I don't want to come down again until there's actual like framework up. where you can start to see the skeleton of the building. But hey, we give it a good college try. Like I said, I got some personal business to take care of here in Austin, and then my wife and I are going to go to Buddy's Burgers tonight. So anyway, if you are new, please hit like and subscribe. Don't forget, we are going in February. I've got a work conference in Phoenix, and then we're going to go to San Diego for sure. And if the wildfires are out, God willing, I hope they are, we'll go to LA. We want to get the LA Coliseum, possibly Dodger Stadium, and then the Rose Bowl. But obviously, my concern is first and foremost with the people of LA. I pray that those fires get put out quickly, and that nobody else loses their home. So, thanks for watching. There's actually a couple smaller stadiums here in the state of Texas that I've never seen before. I may try maybe in a couple weeks to go see. I've been looking at like D2 and D3 schools. I'm just trying to find good content. Of course, we got basketball, and Oklahoma State's not doing so good. Although my other favorite school, TCU, just beat Baylor in Waco, so that was kind of cool. So thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. And like I said, please pray for those who are affected by the wildfires. Until next time, have a good one.